Looking at A, which of those postulates does it demonstrate? Which one? The line. We're going to write the whole thing. If two lines intersect, then their intersection is exactly 1 point. Then. If two planes intersect, then their intersection is a line. Start by saying, which plane are we talking about? We're talking about plane P. We could talk about plane P. Since it's a plane, it should contain 3 non-collinear points. So plane P contains at least 3 non-collinear points, and we need to say what they are. Which 3 points, looking at plane P, which kind of crosses through the middle there, we need 3 points that are not collinear. 2 of them can be on the same line, but the third one cannot. Garen? Yep, points A, B, and C. So that's B, A, C. It kind of crosses through the middle like that. We know for sure that points A and B lie in the plane, right? Yeah. Okay, so point A and B lie in plane, what's that plane? Lie in plane P. So what can we say? So those 2 points lie in the plane. So what can I say about their line? Yep, so line, we'll say so line AB or line N. Line N that contains AB. A and B also lies in the plane. Lies in plane P. Plane intersection postulate. Two planes intersect at a line. Line TV. And you need to label your pictures, because if it's not labeled, then we don't know what it's actually talking about. TV. Line TV intersects the segment PQ, so we need to draw a segment. What is that? It's very crooked. Segments do not have arrows. So that would be PQ. Where do they intersect? Point W, so we need to also draw in point W where they intersect, so that TW is congruent to WV. If I want to mark them congruent, what do I put? Those little markings, TW is congruent to WV. You have to mark it as such if you want it to be true. Sketch a diagram showing segment AC and BD bisecting each other, but AC is not congruent or not equal to BD. So we got AC, these are segments, and BD bisecting. I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, that doesn't look bisecting, like that. They're not going to be congruent, so let's make sure they're not. If it's bisecting, we know that it cuts it into two congruent parts. But we do not want AC to be congruent to BD. So I have to show that they're different lengths, and I'm going to do that by marking them differently.